Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Visite. This is the next tutorial in Java Switch programming. In this tutorial, we are gonna discuss about some example in Switch. Okay. In previous tutorial, we discussed about Java Switch introduction and its syntax. In this tutorial, we are gonna see some small example about Switch. Okay. So I have made class here switch example. So I'm going to declaring a variable for switch expression. Declaring a variable for switch expression. So I'm declaring value int number is something like 20. Now I'm going to write switch expression. This switch expression and our key is number. Now I'm giving a value of 10 here. So I'll print value is 10. So I want to execute some more cases. So I'm copying this statement from here. So I'm pasting it, and in this case I'm giving a value is 20 and the value is 20, and in this case I'm making it 30, and so I'm changing the value is 30 here. Okay, so this is default. When if the given number this condition is not correct, means it will execute. It's default here. I'm writing not 10, 20 or 30. Okay, so look at here, I'm giving the int the number is 20. So let's check it out. Now I'm getting value is this value. I'm getting the value is 20 here. So that's why I'm getting the value is 20 here. Okay, suppose I'm giving the value here 40, right? But the 40 it's not here. 10, 20 and 30 only here. So it will execute this default here. Okay, so it is printing not 10, 20 or 30. Okay, now let's see another example where we can print the month name by using switch statement. Okay, so I'm making a month name class here. So I will print month. First of all, I'm going to specifying the month number. Okay, which month I want to print, that I want to specify here. So suppose I am writing 7 here. Okay, and that month name is in string value. That's why I'm going to declaring string object here. And I'm giving month a string. Month string is // means which month you want to print. Suppose you want to print January here, means January, February, which month you want to print. So I'm leaving it as a blank. So now I'm gonna write the switch statement. This is the switch statement. So I want to print this month. This is the key value. So I'm writing the key value here. So I am giving a value is like S1. Okay. First one is alright. Likewise, I want to print all the values. This is for January, so I will copy this and I will paste here. February. This is for March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, I think I have to on 12 here. This is for 12 month. This is second month. This is for third month. This is for fourth month. This is for fifth month. This is for sixth month. And this is for 7. This is for 8 month. This is for 9th month. This is for 10th. This is for and this is for 11, and this last is for 12, and here is the default value. Okay, this one. So this value is January. This value is a February. This March. This one is for August, September, okay, and this one for October, and this is for November, and last one for okay, there is some mistake. January, March, April. This one is May. July, of course, there is a mistake. September. This one is for October. And this one is 10. 11 is November. This one 12 is December. Okay. If your value is not matching, it will print default value. I am giving different values. Invalid month. So suppose I am giving month is 7 here. Let's check out the example. It should be print July. There is some error here. Okay. You have given a string month string here. Okay. So you have to declare the subject at the last of the statement here. Printing month of the given number. Month string. Yeah, okay. Month string. I left a break here. So you got the output 7 July. There are some errors. I left a semicolon also here. Don't do that mistake in your program. This is the fewest mistakes. Okay. So I am giving month's name is 12. 12 means it should be print December. Okay. So there is only 12 month, okay, in our calendar. But if you given the value of like 20, so what will be print? It will print invalid month because there is no month in the 20th month. Okay, so there will be only 12 cases here. If you insert a 20 here means you will get the invalid month. Then you will get October. Okay, only this much for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icons to get the notification of my new videos. See you in the next tutorial.